Biafra Liberation Army don come outside though. He say the prophecy wey he wan release for this 2024. He say if you release am, you hear am. E get as e be. He say all this while na pastors dey release prophecy of wetin go happen for the year, but this one, he say their own prophecy na all those Fulani and all those herdsmen. He say they go buy a lot of pastors for inside this 2024. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. If today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. No be small thing o. We go quickly jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. But abeg, make you try to share this video because I notice a lot of una no dey share the video again, and I no know why. Make you try to share so that people go dey get the information and know wetin dey go on. You no go like something wey be say you no dey participate put inside. So try to share the video and also follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. The matter wey we get for our hand today na this Biafra Liberation Army wey dey call Holy Ghost. One of the commander, he don come outside though. He say that the prophecy wey he get for the for pastors wey dey for inside Nigeria this year wey be 2024. He say a lot of them go buy, and no be them go buy them but he say na all those herdsmen and Fulani herdsmen. He say na them go come buy them because things wey dey happen. It's obvious that the Islamization of the Nigeria is very very close. My people, no me no blessing. I will dey talk this thing for our mouth. May I play the video, may you watch, and before we go come back or continue, don't forget to share the video.
Above all, my wishes to you is the restoration of Biafra. Telling you, if you like, put them into practice. If you don't like, allow your brain and your mind to keep telling you that Nigeria is going to work somehow, someday, until you find yourself in the land beyond. Yes. Nigeria is gone and never to restore or rise again. It's gone. I mean, gone. Nigeria is gone and gone forever. What you experience until Biafra comes is worse and worse to Nigeria until Biafra is totally being restored. So why am I coming this very morning to tell you today is a Sabbath day, a very holiest day? Is that the time for talking has gone. We are on a very serious business right now, because added extra 10 years to expiring things does not change the fact that that thing has expired. It has expired. Your stupidity and your nonsensity have added 10 years to expiring Nigeria since 2014. And your stupid pastors have been brainwashing your brain that, oh, if you enter New Year, they will say this year is the year of changeover. This year is the year of this. Till now, your stupidity cannot tell you that a child of 10 years is a big child. Now we are not ready for that nonsense. Do you see now that Biafra are wiser? I believe your pastor have prophesied already this year. I remember last year Kumuji said that this year is going to bring him and Adebayo said 1 naira is dollars is going to be equal to 1 naira. Sometimes you people supposed to they carry stone go to church. And this year just enter. You go back, you review the prophecy that your pastor prophesied that did not happen, and you stone that pastor to death. Is one of the person that brainwash you. Is called mental slavery. For those of you who are still going to church. For those of you who doesn't know that church is just a business, like it said, whatever thing your pastor said, you think it is for your own benefit, it is for their benefit. It's just like bank. Whatever future bank introduced, do you think it is for the customer benefit? It is the way to make more money. That is how church is. I believe this year they don't prophesy so many things. But what they do not know past them. That many pastors will die in the hands of terrorists. Yes. And you fail to protect yourself, you'll be killed. So we are not here to talk too much talking because we are so busy. I've told you that we have entered Gear 4 because we can no longer give an inch to another extra 1 year. Instead of that, let every living thing in Nigeria die. Instead of us to give another extra 1 year, I'm saying this, that every living thing in Nigeria will die. The same way the terrorists, the Yalis, all this Islamization of Nigeria is increasing in speed because even them are tired. So by now, Nigeria is supposed to be fully known as Islamic State. Why? Because we stand their way. And so we will boss everything this year. So the same way I told those people who are not, if you are a Biafran and you are staying outside Biafra land, I wish you perfect rest in peace. I've told you early, this was my first wishing to you in this new year. Because some of you was thinking that we will keep talking. No. Do you see this time? We talk less. If you are opportune to hear our voice once in the week or once in 2 weeks, you are very lucky. Because we are so busy. So what am I trying to say? If you fail to put those talking we have been talking to you into practice, you are on your own. We don't send you because we know definitely people will die. That is what is involved in freedom fighting. That is what is involved in restoring a nation. That is what is involved in restoring dignity. That is what is involved in restoring respect. That is what is involved in restoring freedom. So, we already know that people will die. So, your death will not be a surprise to us. If you choose to die as a stupid idiot, so be it. But if you choose to defend your life, okay, let it be on record that they overwhelm you. It's left for you. But for those of you who have returned back home safely, you make a very wise choice because houses is not greater than your life. Your businesses is not greater than your life. Your home appliances is not greater than your life. So therefore, when there is life, there is a better future. For those of you who say you cannot leave your businesses, you cannot leave your houses, you cannot leave your comfort zone, I wish you luck. Even middle bell are getting ready. Even middle bell are getting ready. Oh my goodness me. Everything will scatter. And it must be this year. I'm here this very late hour, early hour in the land of Biafra to ask you, as a Biafran, are you ready?
Yeah, my people, you get the message clear. E dey ask una say whether una dey ready, because things wey dey happen for inside Nigeria now, e get as e come be. We no fit keep quiet and things go dey happen. See wetin dey happen for Plateau and other states, e no fit happen for our own state. Government dey tell us say make we no carry kala face people wey dey face us. E no fit happen, and that is why e come be like say we dey talk about these people. But the ones wey we no like and wey we dey condemn na anybody wey go use the name of this struggle wey dey do bad thing. Śh0ck will strike you, and e will make them to capture you immediately, so that you go face wetin you cause for yourself. But if you come outside for this cause, for no justice to fight for your people, God of our land is going to protect you. Now the one wey we dey pray put. But all those ones where they use the name of this thing, go dey collect things from people, God will expose them and capture them. That is our prayer. My people, please make you share this video, and don't hear am from this our brother wey they call Commander Gentle. No be small thing o. You don't hear am for him mouth. Share the video so that the video go viral. People know wetin dey go on as e no talk am. We will quickly see you for the next update, but make sure say you dey follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates as e dey hot.